Morning. Please let me know if the audio is good. I'm gonna put the camera on in a second. My apologies. I'll be talking on the mic in a second here. GLUU is pulling back. GLUU Apologies about the background noise here. Hold up. Tesla, ramping up Tesla. TSLA, Tesla. Sorry about that. I had to move for a second. I had to close the doors for the room because there was a little bit of noise there. Gotta wait for a little pullback on Tesla though. Micro pullback on Tesla. Gotta wait for the micro pullback on Tesla. CGC got a little bit of support around the 50 simple moving average on the 5. 50 simple moving average on the 5. CGC. GLUU, I like that one as a short. GLUU. Micro pullback on Tesla here. Pulling back on Tesla, pulling back, Tesla pulling back. Probably next leg up as a long trade. Long trade, Tesla. Watching long trade in Tesla. Long trade in Tesla. Long trade in Tesla. Watching long trade in Tesla. DGLY just pulling back under the 50. Looking like a decent short DGLY. But it's too cheap. GNPX though, I like GNPX. It's another one of the names that we talked about this morning just now. Heikin-Ashi candles showing momentum is still decent to the upside. Heikin-Ashi candles showing momentum still decent to the upside. And I'm gonna type it in right here so you know exactly what I'm talking about. GNPX. GNPX right there. Salute to everyone. Having a little coffee here. For those of you who saw the new design, one of the things that is going to be applied to the site, new design in the next few days, market data, and all of that kind of stuff is rolling in. Going to be a couple of different things to have. Micro pullback on Tesla. Watching micro pullback on Tesla. CGC. I like CGC. Watching CGC. CGC. Watch CGC here. CGC. Watch CGC. Tesla. Still not a good long trade here. Still gonna let it go a little bit. Like GNPX, although this last 5-minute candle has a little bit of less momentum than the prior one. Volume decreased a little bit there. And NNVC, I'm not really sure about NNVC today though. I remember what happened yesterday. I don't want to go through the same thing. Oh my god. BLIN. Next leg up on GNPX. Look at the daily here real quick. What do we have? Okay. It's a pretty decent gap. Let me just pull it up over here. GNPX. You know what? I gotta put a trend line here. Make sure I know what I'm doing. Compare with 375. Holy smokes! I'm gonna miss this trade here. $375. I'm gonna pull it back all the way to God knows where. Come on now. Let me see you. Okay, we have a decent range. On top of that, $4 and $7.39. $7.39. So it's a decent range. I'm gonna duplicate this trend line. $7.39. $7.39. GNPX. Is that right? $6.67 actually. I was pointing to the wrong candle. 667 on GNPX. Alright, so got the long range here. GNPX, which is the 1 minute time frame. GNPX, pretty decent. HHT, I have to put that one here. HHT, watch the 5 minutes. No way. At least not for me. Too cheap for me. I don't want you to feel bad. Those stocks, they tend to be too manipulated, and I don't want to be caught in the wrong side of the trade because I'm chasing the amount of shares that I'm able to buy. Okay, GNPX here. What's GNPX here? We have a decent range towards $6.67, 667 on GNPX. Based on the daily, we have a huge range to be filled. Again, I don't want you to feel bad about what I said on the HHT. It gets to be too manipulated, too cheap for me. Those stocks tend to not perform in a way that it's actually not, the risk is too much for me, and I don't do that kind of stuff no more. Okay, towards the GNPX, towards the $4, and then on top of that we have a range all the way to 667 on the daily. $6.67 on the daily. 667 on the daily. Running towards the 4 right now. Got my dog jumping around the room here. Again, the GNPX, I put it on a secondary window. I wasn't really too sure about this, but I have it with the high Kanashi candles, which track momentum. I saw the momentum was decent. Put on another window, and one of the main ones in front of my face right here. Now I have it right here in front of me. And so that's why I picked it up. I went back real quick to see the daily. What type of range we have. $4 right here, tapping 396. 396, small pullback right here. Expecting a small pullback around the $4 area. You guys know this. I talk about the whole dollar and a $0.5 resistance, and also these areas of support. Same thing. My pleasure. My pleasure. I'm able to help out. I give you my ideas. Pulling back kind of quick though. C4, how it's going to hold. I have a decent range on the daily though on this one. A very decent range on this one. Very decent range on this one. Why is it? Give me this static here. Next leg up. Push up over the 4. Probably. And we have a decent range again on what are the range here? 375. It was a higher day. So today we are moving higher all the way to 667. $6.67. Okay, we have a reversal right here. We have a hanging man on the 1 minute. Reversal candle on the 1 minute. Gotta watch that. Okay, we're gonna watch 376. The prior high day was 375 before this little bit of a move here towards the $4 area. 396 was the high. Some small pullback here. We have a next leg up will be over the 4. Trying to hold it tight. Seems like it's gonna pull back some more here. Yep. Pulling back some more. Watching 376 though. 376. Prior high 375. Now 376 is the level on the candle. Try to put it here so you can see it. Gotta watch that level. 3. Low 380. Low 380. That 1 minute candle low 380. Gotta watch that. See if that 375 prior high is gonna hold for support. Next leg up over the $4. Ramp up. We got $6.67 on the daily. $6.67 on the daily. There you go. Some people taking profits right here. Had a high 420. Was a push up over the 4. Bulls are holding it pretty tight. They're not really letting it pull back all the way. That formation on the flag right there, 375 high, was actually that level that held that support. Prior resistance on this pullback right here. Now then coming down became that support. Came right back up. So I'm expecting this to have some follow through. Although that doesn't necessarily mean that's not going to pull back all the way back to 375. But so for right now, it still looks okay. $420 high. $420 high, the 5 minutes. Or the push on the $4 mark. Watch INO as well. INO printing 449 right now. 449 INO 449. It's been moving up in the last couple of days. INO. Also EGAN, EGAN, bullish momentum. Heiken Ashes GNPX. Still Heiken Ashes looking at showing bullish momentum. Let me just show you real quick. I don't want to take too long to do this because if I get distracted here, and I'm gonna be able to do what I want to do here. But this is how it looks on the Heiken Ashi candles, right? This momentum is still showing bullish. Still having decent momentum to the upside. Candles are still pretty long. They had a little bit of a wick, but still showing decent momentum to the upside. Switching right back. This is something you're gonna be able to find in TC2000. Other platforms though, they really don't, you know, you don't find this in every platform, this type of candles. And it's a different formula though. That's the reason why it looks different. I want to thank those of you who have liked the stream so far, and the ones that have not. If you do like the info, I greatly appreciate if you want to give it a like. All right, so next leg up here, going right back up. So it's a high. Today's high is 420. Gotta watch that. See, it seems like they want to push it up. 420 over the 420 mark. 420, 420. Gotta watch that 420. Small pen on the one. Small pen on the one. You gotta watch that. We don't pull back here like crazy. Breaking under that pennant formation. Prior candle in the 1 minute here with a low of $3.80, which was that level there. $3.80. See if this is just trying to be a bear trap pattern on the one. Okay, so it seems like we trying to bring a bear trap pattern. I don't know how many of you are familiar with those patterns though. Pushing high towards 420, higher day, 420, higher day. $425. You just tapped over the prior high. Okay, it's time to get paid. Time to get paid. Time to get paid though. Just tap 425. Prior high was 420. Tap on 425. This is time to get paid. That's a clear bear trap pattern right there on the 1 minute. Time to get paid here. Gonna have a probably next leg up over the 425. Again, we have a decent range all the way to $6.67, man. So based on the daily shot, there is no way that we have to think and believe that there's not gonna be a stop on the way. Meaning $4.50, $5, $5.50. And $6, and then $6.50, and then $6.67. Okay, you have very decent range in between. Okay, we still pushing higher. I'll try to take another quarter out here. I want to make sure I get paid. Make sure I get paid though. Towards the $4.50. $4.50. How I like this type of stuff. Yeah, this is what we do. This is what we do. All right. I like this type of stuff. Towards the $4.50. 450. Not waiting for 450 to hit. Not waiting for 450 to hit. Holding a quarter though. Holding a quarter. Thanks, bro. Come on now. Give me that little push. Small push. Yeah, 345. Sitting 345. I mean 445, 450. Okay. Time to get my stuff here. Come on now. Come on now. Alright. Alright. Took some out. All out. Cash on hand. Although, here's the thing. I'm missing a lot. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I'm missing a lot. Yeah, go ahead. You can criticize me. I'm a coward. Yeah, that's okay. You can say it. I want to make sure I get paid. I left a lot on the table. That's true. Look, 25 cents away from the last quarter that I took out. It's okay. I still got paid, though. I still got paid. 375. From 375 to 450. It's a long move. Listen, baby, I take 75 cents all day long here. Oh, those Heikenhashi candles are paying off. What a Friday. Oh, God. Yeah, you see, now I have a little bit of money to spend for my Valentine's Day gift. See, my wife is going to be happy about that. All right. Let me take a little picture here. Wow. It's good. It's good stuff. It's good stuff. Again, Heikenhashi candles since this morning, though. Picked it on the pre-market. I was 375. Higher day. Was resistance. Came right back down. 375. Became support. And ramped up all the way to 450. I was getting paid on the way. Wow. Dude, I like that stuff. I love this stuff. Dude, it's going to be a fun recap video for sure. Oh yeah. Look at let me give it to you right here, the Heikenhashi things real quick. I'll probably find another leg up here. I don't want to give nothing back. I took 75 cents almost. I mean the whole move, although I got to be honest, I didn't take the whole 75 because I was getting paid on the way. So that means that my whole position didn't really take a 75, right? But I still was able to capture part of that 75-cent move, which is a good thing to do. Look at this range here. Like, look at the momentum there. Like, it's still showing a decent momentum, right? So this type of candles, right? It gives me. I put it on a monitor on the one of the look at this trend. Look at the momentum here. It shows you exactly the momentum. Pull back, pull up. So this type of candles, they track momentum. Not only the move on the price action, they track momentum. So they give you the direction of the price and the momentum. So I like this type of candles, although I'm better recognizing the regular candlesticks for my entries. I still do use this type of candles to watch the momentum, where the momentum is actually heading. Dude, this is fun. Dude, I love this stuff. Guys, I hope you guys are having fun. Oh no, man, come on now. Oh man, don't say that. This is just, you know, this is fun, bro. Like this is fun. When you finally, you know, with this thing finally clicks. Yeah, this is fun. This is a nice Friday. Good Friday. Good Friday. Excellent Friday. Wow. What a move. Watching this level here, probably a little bit of resistance around here, pull back or whatever, like just a little bit of consolidation prior to a follow-through move. Again, we have a decent range on the daily that we have to keep an eye on. A very nice range on the daily, all the way to $6.67. Oh my goodness, wait a second now. Our stock is coming back. Look at this one. Although, you know, if it comes right back up like this, I'm not going to take the long trade. I'm going to wait for that rollover. Oh, God. Give me a second, guys. I got to do something here. Yeah, my wife wants buy something and she's asking for my card. See now? That's how you know this is Valentine's. Your wife is asking for your card information. And you know she's about to spend some money. Bless you. Salud. Bless you. My dog's sneezing. That's kind of like a weird kind of sneeze. Alright. We're back here. I apologize about that. Oh. Man, to be honest with you, my wife, every time I want to buy something, she tells me straight up, give me the cash. Don't spend no money on me. Just give me the cash. I'm like, okay. Alright. She likes to go out and do whatever, you know, and whatever she wants to buy. I rather, you know, I give her the money. She doesn't complicate things for me, thank God. Egan, E-G-A-N, E-G-A-N, E-G-A-N. We're gonna have like a, you know, a date night and stuff like that. But when it comes to a present, you know, she rather get the cash so she could buy something that she really wants. And I don't mind that, so that way I don't have to break my head thinking about the things that she want to get. So it's really convenient for me though. Egan still showing a decent momentum. Now kind of slowing down a little bit. That was a nice range. That's a 60-cent move on EGAN. And wow. DAO from 23.02 to 24.64, $1.53. This is gonna be a nice pullback rollover trade though. DAO is gonna be an excellent rollover trade. I want to get that one, but on the pullback, because it's still doing the same thing on the daily. Once it pulls back again, woo! But look at that. This is nice. Again, if you go back to the watch list that I built up the other day, and I sent it out, you're gonna see this one there, DAO. Picked it up, sent it out last Sunday, and it's actually behaving very good, very well. For you. Oh, I thought you were talking about my wife. I'll put it in storage for you. Next, when we meet, I'll give it to you. What is it that you want, though? Box of chocolate? No, I don't think you're gonna go for that. Okay, this is moving here. CAN on the move. CAN. Just keep an eye on it. GNPX is now in the pullback. Just reversal here, printing 450. I'm all out. I'm okay. Thank God for that. Pulling back. Nice reversal. Okay, CAN. I don't like it too much, though. I think it's going to pull back. So, let me see. GNPX is now showing a decrease in momentum. What else do we have today? Canopy growth. Is that a company? I think this is like a marijuana stock. CAN still really? I'm really not too comfortable with CAN, though. It seems like they already discovered the vaccination thing. Oh, sorry. Sorry. For the coronavirus. It seems like they fixed it in 2 hours. Someplace in California. So now that pharmaceutical company, thank you. So now that pharmaceutical company is going to start making a lot of money. Once they start selling, those things. What in the world is this? I'm getting messages from my sister she's on vacation in Cancun, Mexico. She said explore Riviera Maya, the Mayan hotel, whatever, in Mexico. Sending me pictures of the thing, kind of teasing me. She just got there last night. That'll be a nice little weekend for her. Let's see what else is moving. Finding some stocks here. Come on, let's just scan this thing up. God, today's a good Friday. Easy peasy. Not like yesterday that I had to wait for like an hour for a move. Today was a decent pattern. That was a bear trap formation, though. Like they want to shake off people. Once they broke down that flag right there, I'm telling you, I'm pretty sure there was a lot of guys that went short here on this formation. And once this thing had the reversal, it started to ramp up because they had to cover. And so this is the reason why we have this squeeze up right here. Wow, man, you putting in the work. Man. Man, NNBC is looking so bad today. So bad. Extremely bad. That's the window where I have, as you can see, EGAN right there. Also, I have GNPX right there with the Heikin-Ashi candles. I got 6 flags right here at the bottom. I have VIVE that was watching this morning here. Right here is GNPX that I picked up right there. If you remember, we got EGAN here. We got GLUU up here. DAO right here. I got a couple of stocks on watch here. So you notice here I have several monitors that I keep an eye on those stocks to be able to monetize in the best of my ability. So that way I can keep an eye on a lot of different names. A lot of different names. No, in the last couple of days, if you remember, I've been talking a lot about bear trap patterns. And again, if you're going to base that trade for that shake off, you got to base it at the low of this long candle right here, which is 375 support. Even if it pulls back and it breaks under this thing, you have to look at the support. And the main support right now was the resistance prior here. This is prior resistance that became support. So you got to base that trade, even if it breaks down. If you're a newbie, you're not going to know this. But you got to base this support. This trade is going to be based on the low of this candle right here and the main support, which is 379, 380. And you got to have to find this support, which is prior resistance, right now became the support, 375, which is, you have the pullback here, went to a low of 376, right? By a penny. And if you remember, maybe you don't, but you can go back later and listen to what I was saying. That's exactly what I was telling you guys. Prior resistance right here became support. Now the 375 had to hold. We had a low of 376 by a penny. So even when he broke this formation right here with this bear trap pattern, and we've been talking about this type of stuff for the last couple of days, a bunch of bear trap patterns here and there. So even if it breaks down, they're trying to do this so you can shake off your shares. They picked it up on a discount, they run with it, right? So if you are a new guy, you don't know much about it, but you're going to sell off right away. Or you're going to short this thing, and by the time that it has this reversal right here, then the people it's going to start to panic. And this is the reason why you see this type of candles right here, and then you have the long squeeze up in this last 3 candles on the last 3 minutes, because here's the problem. It came right back down. Let me show you exactly what happens. It came right back down. It gave you a bear trap formation. Came down, broke down. You got to base this trade on 375. So you got to wait for the support to hit and break, so that way there's a confirmation that your trend is actually wrong and this is not going to work. So you got to bail out. But he held. Prior support was right here, 379. There was 376, I'm sorry. So prior resistance, 375, now became support. And we have a low right here in this candle at 376. Even when you ramp up right here, bear trap formation have to come down under the 376, 375 support. Break under that, keep on going lower, so that way that it didn't work out. This is a bull flag formation right here in the 5. Now, when he broke, it came right back up. This guy is still right here that we're holding this short trade. But here's the problem. This is the reason why you have this nice stepper right here, this long squeeze up right there. Because we have a high in this candle of $4.20. It was prior high. With this one broke to $4.25. Once you have a breakout of the high of this candle right here, making this pennant, now this thing is not going to work out for the shorts. So now they were basing the short, basing this trade for that stop loss position based on 420. Now that he broke and went to 425, that had a little pullback. There was a couple of other people that were here trying to buy and sell in this candle. Well, this is the reason why a lot of people you get a little red candle right here, a lot of indecision on this candle, on this doji, because there were a lot of them that were covering their positions, but at the same time, there were a lot of people trying to get in. So it's being a lot of congestion in this candle, and then you have this squeeze here because those shorts had to cover at the break of the $4.20 when this flag actually broke. When the bear flag formation that they thought they were getting didn't really work, and it was actually a bear trap formation though. So I based my trade on the support at 375, not really on the pennant formation right here, because I figured that I could be really shaken off. I didn't like to see this thing breaking down. But again, I'm basing my thing on 375, which was prior resistance, now became support. So this is the type of stuff that you got to learn, you know, and you know, you learn this type of stuff with time. But if you don't really know it, you don't have the experience, you're going to be shaken off, and you're going to run with it, sell off your position or cover your position, whatever it is that you're trying to do. Either you have a bear flag or bull flag or bear trap or bull trap, they're gonna pick up your shares on a discount. They're gonna run with your money. So you know you gotta have, again, the same thing that I'm always saying. I base my trades very simple, very simple. Couple of moving averages based on key levels of support and resistance, based on longer time frames, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and daily shot. Trying to get entries on a minute and the 5. I keep it very, very simple. This here, 375, was prior high. You can see it right here on this candle. 375, 5-minute high. The second candle on the 5-minute time frame. That was prior high. And, you know, and that was basing that trade on that resistance. If you remember, I pulled a daily shot looking at that resistance 375. I was pulling that information, and I went back to the daily to see what was the range. Now, when I saw that the next leg up was all the way to $6.67, I figured, well, this is probably gonna work. And so then, at the break of this thing, it started to ramp up. I took a stab, but it came right back down, and by a penny he held, by a penny, 376. So I was basing this thing over here. It gave me a lot of time though, because even on the break here, when it started to ramp up, it gave me time to go back to the daily. And I'm grateful for this, because if it didn't pull back here and he held, it wouldn't have given me no time to get this stab on this thing. No, so he held. And while it was actually pulling back and going back to 375, which was prior resistance here on the 1 minute, he gave me the time to go back to the daily and watch that formation, and that's the range that we had. And this is the only reason why I was able to capitalize on that nice opportunity. But I was basing this trade on actually that resistance, 375. Pull back to 376, but he held that support, or that resistance became support, and he held by a penny. So I don't know if that makes any kind of sense to you. You know, this is the kind of stuff that, one of those gurus out there, this is the type of information that they have premium type of information, and they don't teach you this kind of stuff like in YouTube for free like that. And I'm not saying anything here, though. I'm not saying anything here, because this is, regardless, I trade every day. And like I said, guys, I'm not gonna charge for it. How do you call it? I'm not gonna charge for like the trading chat room. I'm gonna be in YouTube regardless. I'm here every day. So for the people that want to learn, I'll be here. It is what it is, And I'm grateful that all of you guys are here. That was a nice bull flag formation here. And now, if you're gonna base a trade on a bull flag, on the 5 minutes or the 1 minute, whatever, you have to base a trade on the high of the prior second red candle when it breaks. And right here we have a 369 towards 510. So when you have a bull flag like that, you gotta go in and you gotta scalp it. And you have to go in with a mindset sometimes of you know, kind of nickel and dime it maybe, because you can take out 15-20 cents. But if you're gonna base this trade, you gotta base it on the high when it breaks the high of the prior 5-minute candle on a bull flag. That's how you trade a bull flag. Right now, 521. Look at this thing go. Nice bull flag formation. Again, I'm not complaining about my... I took a portion of the 75-cent move, which is great. I'll take that all day long. Valentine's Day. Friday. Good trade for me yesterday. Good trade for me today, although yesterday was a little frustrating, I have to say, but I'm grateful for this nice opportunity today. And again, I picked this one up on early today on the pre-market hours, and I just kept it in the secondary window because I've been watching this one since yesterday. Because I noticed that the momentum was actually decent. So I just kept it in a secondary window and I kept it on watch. And when I noticed that the momentum was actually going higher, well, then it was good. And if I'm not mistaken, let me just go back. And I think yeah, if you go back to Twitter, the last stock that I put in the watch list for today was actually GNPX. So you can go back and call me out on that. And you're going to realize that, yes, I was watching this thing since the pre-market hours today. Good opportunity, though. Very good opportunity here. What a look at that move. I'm telling you. Now it has a hanging man around 550 though, and we have a 557 high on that last 5-minute candle. We might end up having a little pullback here. Now, based on that bull flag formation, again, if you take a stab at this thing at the break of the bull flag pattern, when you had a prior high, you take the breakout of that flag and you can take maybe a nickel and diamond, maybe. Well, as of right now, there's a lot of people that are making more than just a nickel or a dime. This is a nice move though. Like this is a nice mover today, I have to say. Gee, man. Wow. Again, we have a $6.67. $6.67 on the daily. This thing is just skyrocketing. Oh my God, I left so much money on the table. This is stab the madness now. Man, I feel kind of stinky now. What a move. I sold too soon. But it's okay. I'm still green and I got paid. Man, I sold too soon. I'm not risking anything here now. I'm grateful for this move though. I'm grateful for this move. Very nice move. FTSI. Oh wow, look at that. That's quite decent move. That's quite a decent move. Wow, this thing's still going to keep on moving. Wow. $6.67 on the daily. This is the hardest, easiest job there is. Holy smokes, look at that. That was quite a pullback though. Wow. Yeah, people holding here all the way to 667. Yeah, this is the reason why I like getting paid on the way. I like to make sure that nothing is going to, take me and shake me off. Boom. Was quite a pullback. Was quite a pullback. And I really don't think that this 1 minute candle is gonna, have this roll over to the upside right away. This thing's gonna keep on pulling back now. Oh, 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 look at you, look at you. Yes, yes, yes. Come on now, come on now, come on now, come on now. Yes, 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 yes. All right, micro bounce in 1 minute. Watching this thing. Let's see here. Next leg down, 21.92. And this is a nice 15-minute range. 15-minute range to 21.07. Next leg down, 21.92. Gotta get onto that. 21.92. 21.92. See here. 21.92. 15-minute range. 21.92. Okay, bear flag pattern, 1 minute time frame, 21.92. Gotta put another trend line here. We have 21.07. CGC, watching this thing. 15-minute time frame period, big range, pretty nice range. Keep it on watch, 21.92. Yes, 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 yes. We got consolidation on GNPX. I think this thing is actually going to pull back a little bit more. Okay, we got possible bear flag formation low 22.05. Taps the 22 and he breaks under the 22. That will be actually confirmation. Gonna let it run a little bit more. Decent doji on the 5. It's nice consolidations, healthy trend. And we have a decent range, 21.07. So about $1 move, about $1 move on CGC. About $1 move on CGC. Canopy growth. I don't know why this thing is pulling back like this today, but I really don't care. Coming back down. TGC here. That reversal. I watched 21.92. 21.92 low. 21.92 low. it would be a good idea, a good thing if this candle closes as a green candle on the 5, and we still have about a minute and 40 seconds for that. It's a little bit of consolidation here. It would be a good thing if it's a green candle. Hey, it's a nice flag formation here in the 1 minute. Watching a trend here on GNPX. Watching a trend on GNPX, holding pretty tight on GNPX, making higher lows. Okay, watching CGC. Consolidation GNPX. If it breaks under that support, we're gonna go. And Heikin candles are actually showing that it could be a little bit of momentum going to the bearish side right now. Yes. Yes, sir. Wow. See, gotta shake it off a little bit sometimes, guys. Gotta be happy. Happy. Come on now. GNPX. What in the world was that? Look at how we tapped that 50 simple moving average there. Like, what a shoot off. But what a rejection again. Oh, what's going on here? You see, this is the kind of stuff that I'm not. Nope. There's no way I'm gonna take chances with this thing. Okay, so let me show you something real quick. GNPX. Not interested on CGC no more. Okay, let me show you this trend on GNPX that I have been watching for the last couple of minutes here. Keep an eye on that. Because I think we're going to move. Heikin candle showing that there could be a little bit of a nice bearish trend now in the next few minutes. Same thing with EGA. This consolidation is going to go. There you go. There you go. Ooh. What's the stop here on the View app? $40.44. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Like, holy smokes. So clean. cleaner that I just watched white. Oh, the undriven snow, whatever you want to call it. It's so clean. So clean. Can see that from afar. $450 next stop though. $450 next stop. Let's close to the view app. Yeah, when you have a little bit of time doing this, you can see things like that from a long distance. It's a good thing. I'm glad, man. I'm glad. Nice call. Nice call. Good call. See, sometimes even if you don't trade the moves, you gotta take your time to develop the knowledge, right? So when you go in, you have the knowledge, and that's the difference between a person that goes into the market like trying to get rich quick to the person that's really trying to do this for long term, and is really just trying to have consistent gains and be able to use this thing as a, income. Because a lot of traders go into the market, they really thinking that, got it. It's good, man. Build up the knowledge. That's all that matters. Traders go in, chasing the chicks, chasing the cars, chasing the jets, the Porsche, chasing booty and boobs and stuff like that. And this is the reason why they fail, man. They fail. If you're willing to take your time to develop the knowledge, it's amazing what you can do. If you say, I'm gonna put 3 months into this thing, 4 months, 5, 6, 7 months, just learning without just learning. But the majority of people want to make the money like today. I want to get paid. I want to do this. And they don't want to go through the process. So, they end up losing in the long run and just becoming another number so that, other people say, only 5% of traders actually make money. Only this amount of traders actually make money. Yeah, but because new traders don't want to take the time to develop the knowledge. And if you don't want to take the time to develop the knowledge, you're going to fail. You have to be willing to go through the process. It's like going to college. Going a career, you want to be a doctor. How long do you think it's going to take for you to be able to actually execute on what you're studying? But yeah, when it comes to the market, we wanna, we wanna make it in like a day. Guys, I'm not gonna take any other trades here. I'm just going to take a step back and enjoy a little bit of my day. During the weekend, I'll be sending the watch list. Look at the Heikin-Ashi candles right there. How the momentum is actually shift up. It's showing that the bearish momentum is actually dominant right now. So I'm gonna take a step back. I'm gonna make the video a little while, and then I'm gonna be uploading that video so you guys can enjoy this little recap here today. And over the weekend I'll be sending the actual watch list so you can have it on your inbox and just take a look at it later. For now, I'm gonna let you guys go. I wish you guys enjoy the rest of your day. You as well, man. Thanks. Happy trading. Thank you for those that are new, that have subscribed to the channel, and the one that has liked the channel and the stream. If not, I appreciate if you do like the stream. And I will see you guys later. Take care. Enjoy your weekend. Happy Valentine's again. Take care.